come back and continue with the show because the invitation was not necessary 2 weeks later. But Shah Rukh came back. He not only came back, he made sure the other co-stars also came for the finale, and that's how finale happened. Not only that, I mean, the professionalism of this man is seen from the fact he asked for the tapes and he made sure that they were in the same clothes for continuity. That is Shah Rukh Khan for you, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you, sir. And the main reason is because मैं राज नायक को बोलता रहा यार कि मुझको कलर्स में काम दो एक एपिसोड से ज़्यादा, तो मुझे एक एपिसोड में जैसे अभी बुलाया 6 दिसंबर को, तो अभी ऐसा बुलाया, तो उस वक्त मुझे चांस मिला कि दूसरे एपिसोड में आया, इसलिए आ गया था मैं, और कोई रीजन नहीं। But thank you sir, वो भी हो जाएगा।
वैसे शाहरुख, what you don't know is that Mr. Nayak here is a man of many talents himself, and I know he's going to kill me for this, but he's an awesome magician himself. So Mr. Oaks, your job's in trouble. Okay, I hope to see when we do an edition of CEO's Got Talent, perhaps we're going to see Raj back again doing his stuff. We're going to show he's a magician. He does awesome magic tricks, like awesome, and I don't mean party tricks. I mean serious tricks. Yeah, we'll see if the paycheck comes in. Right. Shahrukh, before we, please, gentlemen. No, you, I insist.
अजीब नहीं लगता ना लड़की खड़ी है और खड़े?
नहीं, I'm a pacey sort of person. So I'm going to pace her. Please.
Okay, thank you.
Please, Benny. Please. This is going to be a long evening. We've got a lot of wonderful members of the press here, and we're shortly going to keep, making them, keep the floor open to ask you questions. But before we carry on, Shahrukh, I'd like to ask you, India में दो तरह की in our country where everything is planned and it's Bollywood style and it's short and lots of money is being spent and everyone pays to go and watch it, and then there is show up in 5 minutes, shows what he's all about and entertains the audience. What do you think has the more wow factor? Like ज़्यादा गज़ब की बात किसमें है? That you've created something which has been worked upon, or something that just comes up and entertains you out of the blue?
Meaning, I think the truth is कि जो जादू होता है, चाहे वो जैसे राज करते हैं या मैजिशियंस करते हैं, जादू वो एक दो पल में ही होता है, एक दो घड़ी में होता है, एक सेकंड में हो जाता है, मोमेंट में हो जाता है। जब मैंने शुरुआत की थी फिल्मों में, तो हमारे डायरेक्टर हैं केतन मेहता, तो जब मैं फिल्में नहीं करना चाहता था, मुझे समझ नहीं थी, तो उन्होंने मुझे ऐसा बोला था कि यार तुम कभी कभी पूरे सीरियल में फौजी या दिल दरिया में पूरे एपिसोड देखिए एक दो बार तुम जादू कर लेते हो, तो हम जितने भी पैसे खर्च करें बॉलीवुड की फिल्म, जो भी उसका एक मैग्नम ओपस स्टाइल है, whatever we do, whenever we sit down and think we're making a big entertainer, or we do a show like India's Got Talent, Britain's Got Talent, and small other shows too, where we are showcasing people who don't get an opportunity. The magic of entertainment, the magic of smiles, the magic of the wow factor happens only in moments, whether it's a 2.5 hour, 200 crore rupee or $2 billion film, or if it's a show, which of course these shows are also mounted beautifully and fantastically. They have a franchise which is really amazing. I've been on these shows, how they handle it is difficult. But I think magic of entertainment happens only in moments. How many hours, how much money you spend is not really important. So I think if you ask me, the magic of wow, how long and how expensive it is in a second or even less, and it's completely priceless. There's no price.
So well done. So awesome. Raj, we're going to now unleash an event where Indian artists are going to be on the same platform and Indian talent going global as well.
I see no reason why not. I think it's just that they haven't got the platform. The great difficulty I think is over the last 5 years that they can get a platform in this country. But I know some of our talent, the boy actually went on that show.
Yeah, he went on Ellen
show. And a lot of others have gone, it will not be publicized, but I think it's just a matter of opportunity. And I think this one event, which will not only be telecast in India, but probably in about 70 countries globally, I think will open the world's eyes
towards what we can do.
Towards what we can do, and let me tell you, I've seen talent from all over the world. हमारे बच्चे कोई कम नहीं।
बहुत सही कहा आपने. I'm sure we're going to see a lot of wonderful things happen when East meets West and all that. The rest will be history. Ram, we know that you've been.
Like I said, I was in Silent 2 years ago when we were in the dream, and we were talking about the new format or what we can do differently around the world. And obviously my heritage is in India, and it's a big country, and it's on the map. And why don't you put Mr. Shah Rukh Khan and Salman Khan together? You've got the biggest explosion of talent in the world.
The women are just faint. That's it. You can't have the two of them on stage together.
You can only think of these ideas when you're drunk. There's no other way.
That's very true. But now I'm very excited. We're all on board, and this show's going to be amazing, and it's going to be continuous, and we do it again and again. We put India is going to be #1 all over the world.
Fantastic, and we wish you all the best for that. Okay, Raj, Rap or Shahrukh से कुछ पूछना चाहते हैं? So we have people with mics all over. Why don't you shoot your questions?
Shahrukh, what would be your role in, to actually come to know what exactly would be your role and how would you be entertaining or you would be hosting the show? क्या है?
Nothing. Are you asking me now?
Yeah.
So I'm going to host the show on the evening, on the 6th evening. I'd like to put it all together for these 14, 15, 16 or even more maybe or less. But they are about, when I was reading about it when Raj told me, and I think Rab has started designing it, there are about 16 performances mixed with Indian and international artists. And of course, there are Bollywood regular performances also, which are going to be irregular because they're going to be shot in a different way and showcased in a different way. So I'm going to put it all together as a host. I think, I'll tell you the interest when Raj and the whole team from Colors told me about it. I was just happy to be a part of it and, just all bind it together. I really don't have the kind of talent the guys and girls who are going to perform on the stage have. So मैं थोड़ा सा backstage पे रह के पीछे अच्छा सूट वूट पहन के बातचीत करके आप लोगों को bind करूँगा इस show में, because I think it's an important platform not only for Indian talent to be showcased worldwide. I think it's also important for the exposure of Indian talent to see what the world talent has reached. And not only just in music and dance, but the different variety of things that Rav and I'm sure the team, they go out and choose. And I myself, when I get extremely an entertainer, sometimes is bereft of entertainment for himself or herself. For me, this is one of the most entertaining evenings that I'll have. I'll be able to watch some of the greatest things and be able to host it and put it all together.
Shahrukh, but we have been seeing lots of things like this in awards. जैसे YouTube में भी आपने कहा था, WhatsApp पे भी ऐसे वीडियोस बहुत आते हैं. तो what would be very exciting, like, and it would be a ticket show. So why will people come? What is the real concept behind this? आप भी जुड़े हो तो ने कुछ उनको सवाल किए होंगे.
वो पूछ क्या रहे थे उसमें? तो मैं क्या करूँगा?
नहीं आप क्या करोगे? इसमें इतना अट्रैक्शन क्या रहेगा मेरा कहने को?
आना 6 को देख देना आराम से, टिकट बिक रहे हैं. ऐसा थोड़ा ना कि ऐसा मतलब शो लगा देंगे वहाँ पे. इतने बड़े बड़े लोग बैठे हैं. राज बैठा हुआ है, दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा शो किया है. सामिन काउल ने जिसने क्रिएट किया हुआ है, राज कलर्स वाले बैठे हैं, सब लोग प्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं, तो कुछ तो ठीक ठाक ही करेंगे ना. ऐसा थोड़ा कि
Thank you, sir. Okay, who's next?
Hello, Raj. Yeah. Raj. Raj, I would like on your left. Okay.
First of all, for us, Shah Rukh Khan, you can't get a bigger name in entertainment like Shah Rukh Khan. So for us, he's the face of Got Talent World Stage Live. More importantly, the way we are looking at this is not going to be a one-time event. We would like to do this year on year, and Shah Rukh will be associated with it throughout. That's the way we look at it.
There's a voting pattern on the telephone. You can send your SMSs, and if you don't like it, Shah Rukh Khan, no votes, so now.
No, it's not our idea. Ron the Don, I call him, from Fremantle, brought Singh to me, and we discussed the idea, and he said something like this will work, and I felt it was a great idea, so I told Rav, if we can put it together. The logistics for this is not easy. It's taken us 2 years, we discussed this, finalized it, signed a contract 2 years back. It's taken us 2 years to put it together because every time we finalize on the talent is not available because they are so busy doing other things. So bringing all the talent together has taken a lot of time.
It's a talent in itself.
And I think sometimes magic happens, and I think
I just want to vouch for that because finally when they told me about 15 days back कि 6 दिसंबर को हो रहा है क्योंकि 2 साल से, and I want to tell you these guys have really worked hard. They told me about 2 years back, 1.5 years back at least, when I think Rab and Ron and everyone in the team had set this all together, and every time I asked them, they said, no, we want to showcase the best talent in this country, and I think it's a very, I think it's a thing that is very appreciable, that you're trying to get the best on stage, not only for India, like I said, for Indians to see and perhaps, get more enthusiastic about going around the world, because like Raj said, like Rab believes, कि अपने Indian लोग चारों तरफ फैले हुए हैं. So when we have this kind of a show, I think the world will be able to see what the Indians and what everyone in our culture can do, and I think that's amazing. It's an amazing platform.
Sure.
So hi, so I've been a great fan of yours. मेरा नाम है निपुण मुरारका.
निपुण.
Yeah. सर अभी हम आए दिन पेपर में पढ़ते हैं कि आपको यहाँ पे चोट लगी है, कभी शोल्डर में लगी है, कभी सर पे लगी है. World's Got Talent is a great platform, and you said very humbly that I'm not very talented, but I got huge platform and we started with Ram Leela. But I think, sir, इतना सारा आपको broken bones होने के बाद भी, how do you manage to get so much of energy? I mean, what is that one thing that you think is your driving factor when you are there, all set to entertain all your fans? I know it's an offbeat question from the platform.
No, it's nice to have offbeat questions. I'm going to some answers.
It may sound a little, self-praising when I say this, but to me, having worked 25 साल से मैं काम कर रहा हूँ, और मैं बात बोलता हूँ शुरुआत में पैसे की तमन्ना होती है, फिर फेम की तमन्ना होती है, फिर फैमिली को ठीक रखने की तमन्ना होती है, और तमन्नाएं खत्म नहीं होती है, अवार्ड की होती है, रिवॉर्ड की होती है, बहुत सारी चीजों की होती है. फिर एक मुकाबला हो जाता है. But if you go back to the core and realize the only thing I want to do in my life is to make people smile. I always say this, and somewhere down the line,
हाथ में जो चोट लगी है, सिर पे चोट लगी है, part and parcel. Maybe I'm accident prone, maybe I'm just not very tough, maybe I do kind of films and the stuff that I do is wrong. But somewhere down the line, the idea is जब दिल पर चोट लगी होती है इस बात की कि मैं लोगों को खुश कर सकूं उतना जितना उन्होंने मुझे खुश किया है. I have not a guilt, but I have a feeling I have been given a lot more than I deserve. I need to return it back before this ends, because otherwise I won't be able to enjoy who I am at the end of my career. My children won't be able to enjoy. So it's something I owe to everyone. I'll keep on working. I always tell everyone, the best way to go would be roll camera, action, oh shit, he's gone. That's the way I would like to go. So I want to work and keep on working, and I overcome it here. You work out, you exercise a little, and then, just go and work harder. That's it. Every time you push back, you just push back harder. That's all.
That's quite amazing, sir.
Thank you.
Thanks, Nipuñ.
You're one of the finest journalists who praised me so much in one evening. I love you. If you're free on Saturday, can I marry you, please? All right. Okay. This journalist dekha tabhi to na.
Come to you next.
Thank you, Nipuñ.
Come to you next. Yeah, the gentleman in the
This
yellow.
is Alok from OFM, आपके right में. मेरा सवाल है, आपने स्वदेश भी की है, आप परदेश भी कर चुके हैं फिल्म. परदेशियों को स्वदेश में बुला करके और उनके सामने एंकरिंग करना कितना फन होने वाला है, एंटरटेनिंग होने वाला है?
एक्चुअली एंकरिंग करना या होस्ट करना या कुछ किसी एक मजमे को उनका दिल बहलाना, उनसे बात करना शो पे निर्भर करता है. आई थिंक अ होस्ट और अ होस्टेस इज एज गुड. Like, I think this must be a fantastic show because Vinny is so good. You're as good as the show that you're doing. So I think the content we have for this show is world talent here. And in different facets. It's not just dancing and singing, which is also amazing. But there are going to be some very different things. Whenever I've gone on India's Got Talent, and I must confess, on evenings when I have nothing else to do or I'm very sad and I want to see some, I get a lot of ideas from Britain's Got Talent, and there was one Sardarji who danced once to a Michael Jackson. I mean, amazing stuff, man. Amazing stuff. You get so many ideas. The other night I was working out and I said, I want to do some new thing in my new film. And my trainer tells me, sir, aap India Got Talent dekho, usme se kuch na kuch niklega. So you find ideas because, we get so narrowed down by what we do every day because of the jobs. So I think a host or an hostess is going to be as good as the show it is containing. So this show is fantastic. My job is going to be easy. I hopefully will be able to talk to you well. I'll be able to do what I do best. And the show is going to be bigger than the host or anything else, inshallah.
पिछले दिनों में आपके ट्विटर पे काफी लोग आपकी तस्वीरें भेजते थे, और क्या ये इसी श्रृंखला का ट्रेलर था जो ये टैलेंट स्टार्ट होने वाला है?
Sorry, we didn't get that question.
Would I ever advertise on? Do you think I need to advertise on Twitter?
नहीं, लोग आपकी तस्वीरें बना करके भेजते थे, आपको कुछ पसंद
लोग मुझे क्या क्या भेजते हैं तो बताऊंगा कभी आराम से.
Thank you so much. There's a gentleman here. Can we give them a mic?
राज एंड शाहरुख, आप दोनों से मेरा सवाल था. ईशान फ्रॉम न्यूज एक्सप्रेस. राज, पहली बात तो शाहरुख ने खुद इच्छा
Right there in the red shirt. You want to stand up?
पहले तो शाहरुख खान बहुत कभी अपनी इच्छा जाहिर करते हैं काम करने की किसी के साथ. आपके संग उन्होंने इच्छा जाहिर की है काम करने की. क्यों ना इस बार बिग बॉस में?
अरे उनसे ज्यादा तो हमारा इच्छा है उनके साथ काम करने की. हम 1.5 साल से सोच रहे हैं हाउ डू वी, and I'm not joking, it is serious. And I met Shahrukh about a year and a half ago and I told him we should do something together. And since that day I said it's also about identifying a show or a program that lives up to Shahrukh's stature. So we just can't take Shahrukh Khan and use him in a show for the sake of it. So we've been ideating quite a lot and inshallah बहुत जल्दी वो भी हो जाएगा.
बिग बॉस में इस बार चांस दे दिया जाए क्योंकि सलमान को कह चुके हैं.
Right. We have just one more question left and we'd like to take it.
कई सारे टैलेंट शोज आते हैं, कई सारे विनर्स भी होते हैं उनमें, लेकिन कई ऐसे भी होते हैं जिनकी जो प्रॉमिसेस किए जाते हैं टैलेंट से वो पूरे नहीं होते. तो एज एन सुपरस्टार, एज अ होस्ट ऑफ द शो, आप कितनी चीजों को ध्यान में रखते हैं कि इस तरीके की चीजें फ्रॉड ना हो किसी भी आर्टिस्ट या किसी भी टैलेंट के साथ?
जो मेरी चीज होती है, जो हमने बनाई होती है, जो प्रॉमिस किया होता है वो मैं करता हूँ. और मुझे ये भी मालूम है जो 90% लोग हैं, 95% लोग हैं जिनके साथ मैं काम करता हूँ, सभी उसको डिलीवर करते हैं जो होना चाहिए. कभी कभार अगर ऊंच नीच हो जाती है वो गलती से होती है. आई डोंट थिंक एनी पर्सन प्रोड्यूसेस शोज विद प्रॉमिसेस ऑफ टेकिंग टैलेंट समवेयर makes an empty promise, because I think when a show is done like India's Got Talent and other talent shows also, I think the biggest happiness and achievement for the producers, the makers, the creators of the show is that their showcase talent becomes the most famous. So I don't think anyone holds back on that. If there are instances like this, there must be some kind of a slip, but I don't think anyone does it intentionally. So as a host or as a person, maybe I can't look at it, but I'm sure everybody else does give it a lot of import.
Shahrukh sir, here. Actually, this show, Got Talent, this stage, is more about inspirations and aspirations. Having touched so many lives, you've actually inspired a lot of people, be it a journalist or an actor or anybody else, and also given life to many other inspiration. You've been an inspirational story for many. How do you take it? Unintentionally or intentionally touching lives all throughout your life?
What's your name?
Nayandeep.
Nayandeep, I think most of the people, especially, I'll speak about myself, because I don't want to include others, maybe I'm speaking out of turn. But if I have, in any which way, touched anybody's life and have been an inspiration, the honest truth is, I'm not the one responsible for it alone. I can take the credit for it, I'm the packaging for it, I'm the face of it. But there are people behind who work extremely hard to create someone of an inspiration. Yes, I work hard, I do my stuff, I have a little bit of talent, I try my best every time. But there are people like Raj here, and there are a lot of producers and directors and creators and writers who actually make it happen. I think one can't solo take the credit for it. All I can say is that one gets fortunate enough to create a team of people. So for the last 20 years, 25 years, I think I've had just a wonderful team of people who have made me the face of the inspiration. The actual inspiration is mostly backstage. As a matter of fact, my office is called Backstage, because I truly believe most of the stuff, these guys are coming here tonight. I didn't know he's the director of the show, he produces it, how many months they go, Ron has created it with Simon Cowell. We don't even know these names unless we come and introduce it. And they're also, unfortunately, through a Bollywood star. But these are the guys who make it. So I think becoming an inspiration is a very fortunate accident that happens because of the team that you have. So I take it, I hope I always have a good team so that I can keep on inspiring people.
Shahrukh. Wait, our last question.
Shahrukh here.
Hi, just 1 second. There's a gentleman here who's been waiting to ask a question. One of the most familiar faces that we've seen in the media. Sir,
I'll do most of them. We'll do.
Okay, one more. Here in the last. Hold on.
Thank you. Good evening, sir. Thank you very much. Well, everybody has said something and bits and pieces. We have this talent, and I just have to say something. That you could have been and you are. What we have seen right now is the talent what you had could have got Oscars anyway, awards. at the level of Oscars, because you can come around and orate to any audience at any level. If I don't mean to say just for the sake of saying it, but if we've seen it just now and we are seeing it everywhere, that this is the talent which is unbeatable, next of course to your acting maybe. So
yeah, actually the speech is ready, I just need to act well enough to make it to the Oscars.
This is
my speech will be awesome, I'm telling you.
How do so many people have mics in the audience?
Shahrukh, I have two questions.
The lady there. Okay. The lady there.
मैं सब में कर दूंगा, मैं जल्दी भी कर दूंगा.
Hi, this question from Mr. Raj. Sir, in the last Ranjana here from Adili. Hi. So first of all, congratulations for the new property. I just want to know, the show itself looks so appealing. You've got advertisers on board, or still you guys are working on it?
No, it's going to be advertised. I know that for a week from now, the tickets are going to start being sold. And one thing we want to make more and more people to watch it.
So first of all, congratulations for the new property. I just want to know, the show itself looks so appealing. You've got advertisers on board, or still you guys are working on it?
No, it's going to be advertised. I know that for a week from now, the tickets are going to start being sold. And one thing we've decided, we want to make it successful. We want to make more and more people to watch it. One of the briefs that we have is try and price it so well so that more and more people can come for the event. And a show of this magnitude, we don't have to go to advertisers, they'll be lining up.
So is there any name which has been confirmed yet?
It's a little premature, we just announced the show.
Cool. Thank you so much.
Yeah. We'll keep you posted. Yes, the gentleman with the pink shirt here.
Shahrukh?
Wait, okay, here.
Okay, we'll take them all quickly.
Okay,
I'll do shorter answers.
Okay,
yes,
fine.
no,
yes.
Maybe.
Shahrukh, two questions. One is, will Colors end up backing the television rights of Happy New Year?
Say it again, huh?
Will Colors end up backing the television rights of Happy New Year?
They've offered me $275 million. I've said no, I want to.
Okay, second question. We are talking about talent. We saw a new brave talent of Mr. Amir Khan today. Have you seen the posters? What do you have to say? And do you think nudity has come up?
Alright, this is just take questions.
Don't go there and say that's the talent, okay?
Yes, the gentleman here, he's been wanting to ask a question for a long time. Somebody give him a mic, please. Right here.
इसे चिल्ला दे. शुक्रिया आपको भी. How it feels? Well, just especially the front part and all. Oh my God! I am so proud of it at this press conference right now.
All right. Thank you so much. Just one last question from the gentleman in the safari cap. Right there. So that's the cool cap. आदमी अपने टैलेंट को कब पहचानता है?
मेरे हिसाब से जिस दिन आपको लगेगा कि आप टैलेंटेड हैं, उस दिन आप खत्म हो जाते हैं. I really believe this. मैं बहुत जेन्युइनली बोल रहा हूँ, बहुत सीरियसली बोल रहा हूँ कि जब आदमी अपने आप में मुब्तला होने लग जाता है कि मुझको ये आता है, मैं ये कर लेता हूँ, मैं ये कर लेता हूँ. मैं 20-22 साल से काम कर रहा हूँ. ठीक ठाक है, अच्छा है, बुरा है, खराब है, सही भी हो जाता है, बहुत टाइम पर ठीक पड़ जाता है. लेकिन अभी भी जब मैं खड़ा होता हूँ पहला सीन करने के लिए नई फिल्म में, तो मेरे जो घुटने हैं वो कांपते हैं. The day I feel I can go on a set, and I'm talking about personal experience, the day I can go and see I can break the 100-meter record, even for Usain Bolt. And I'm speaking of people that I've read about, and they all have the same thing. The fact that you don't understand your own talent, I think is the most beautiful space to be talented. The day you understand your talent, and you think you're talented, then it's just a commodity that you're selling. So I think the best way to live life is not know what is special about you, and remain ordinary as you are. तालियां बजाओ, क्योंकि आप सफारी बहुत बात किया है. तालियां बजाओ सब.
All right, the last question from you, and you're special, right? Come on, go for it.
अगर आपकी आवाज लड़की जैसी है तो नहीं सुन सकता हूँ. अभी तो अच्छी गाली साउंड कर रही हो.
Okay, just tell us your question. शाहरुख, अभी हमने बहुत ही अनोखा आर्ट देखा.
विवेक का.
जी, वो जो
रेडियम
जी रेडियम का.
सलमान भी अच्छी खासी स्केचिंग आती है उनको, क्या उन्होंने आपको एक भी दी, गिफ्ट में दी है एक भी स्केचेस वगैरह बना के? अच्छा, we'll move on to more pertinent questions.
इतनी खूबसूरत आवाज से ये सवाल पूछोगे तुम यार? तुम अरे प्यार में गाना गाने तुम पास आए यूं मुस्कुराए तुम सपने देखा, ये सवाल पूछोगे? अच्छा मैं एक बात बोल देता हूँ यहाँ पे, ये सवाल पुराने हो गया, अब तो हम गले मिलते हैं, दोस्ती है, प्यार है, सब कुछ है। सीरियसली मैं बता रहा हूँ, बहुत साल हो गए कि आप लोग यही सवाल पूछ कर फिर कुछ एक स्नैप बनाओ, चिक 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 ऐसा बोला, इतना पुराना हो गया, हम बोर हो गए यार।